Introducing the Rockblazer. The new Rockblazer rotary drill bit from Terelion features a new patented design on the air nozzles, optimized to evacuate the cuttings with exceptional effectiveness. To ensure the highest penetration rate, the drill cuttings must be evacuated from the blast hole as quickly as possible. Remaining cuttings slow down the drilling process and cause wear on the drill bit. Therefore, the Rockblazer drill bit can deliver a higher penetration rate, allowing you to drill faster and produce more at a lower total drilling cost. If you want to try out the new Rockblazer rotary drill bit from Terelion, contact us today.